I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Open Roblox, go to the item or game pass and attempt the purchase. Make sure your account age and balance meet the requirement and that a valid payment method is linked. If you're a minor, ask for parental approval before retrying. Once done, keep the app open and avoid switching networks. This prevents interrupted transactions and gives you a clear next step if the purchase still doesn't complete. Now focus on details. Verify the card number, expiration, CVV, and billing address exactly match your bank's records because mismatches are frequent causes of rejection. If the app errors, switch to a desktop browser and use private mode to rule out extensions or cached problems. Clear cache or reinstall the Roblox app to reset any corrupted session. Once these steps are complete, attempt the purchase again and note any error codes shown so you can act on them precisely. Finish by checking your account purchase history and your email for confirmation or a pending charge. That tells you if the server processed the order. If you see a duplicate or failed charge, request a refund using the order or transaction ID. If problems persist, contact Roblox support with screenshots, timestamps, and the transaction ID. This speeds resolution. If everything still fails, try a different device or payment method. Often switching card or platform immediately resolves persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.